why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz I'm gonna
Die theater doen iets aan jou wat geen ander verhoog aan jou doen nie. Jy is kinderlik opgewonde daaroor, maar daai oomblik as die lig jou oë tref, there's no other feeling.
Welkom en bienvenue, welcome. Fremder, étranger, stranger.
In South Africa, we never get to see shows like these because, you know, these shows are generally reserved for Broadway. And it's so fantastic that we get to bring a little piece of Broadway home to our beautiful African continent. And we get to share it with these 22 amazing kids and the 5 professional singers. And now, hopefully, with audiences at home who are going to be enjoying every second of this Broadway experience with us.
The Hamiltons move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable.
I spend hours in the garden.
Such amazing work with these kids who just have the most amazing skills. I mean, at that age, I was completely clueless. But to see them be utter professionals, be dedicated and disciplined, it's very inspiring.
One night in Bangkok and the tough guys stumble. Can't be too careful with your company. I can feel an angel talking next to me.
Well, this is a production for the whole family. You've got singing, dancing, and acting. And then, of course, it's a trip through all the musicals.
Yes, to fly high and higher. 'Cause I've got the brimstone and I've been through the fire. And I purge my soul, my heart to climb up the mountaintop and start to blow.
The arts have always been an incredible vehicle to celebrate our creativity and to come together and create something special in difficult times. And this show is no different. You're going to be seeing 47 creatives getting together on 27 musicals and just creating something spectacular. So if you love theatre and you want to experience it the way we did before the world shut down, the show is for you.
You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No.
Maar ek beloof jou, jy het nog nooit so iets gesien.
California.